Hey guys, Sammy 101. We're at my grandma's house and back to another train catching video. There's a train down in town passing through. It's gonna come right through here and go back here. Yeah, Franklin, Indiana. It's still in town. It's taken a while, so it either might be a CSX or just an Indiana and Louisville train. We're gonna walk to the back 40 here. I tell you what, my heart always pounds when this happens. I don't know why. It's a coming. It's a coming. I don't know where it is. It's gonna come out of the trees soon. We're about back here. I don't know, it's actually kind of moving slow, so it might be a CSX. About an hour or two ago, I didn't record it, but a Louisville and Indiana train passed through here about 5 o'clock. Or not that, guys. I mean about an hour or two. It's taking a while. Might be a CSX then. Or if it's just a Louisville and Indiana train, it's got a little bit more cars than it had. It might be taking its time. I have no idea. But we're gonna walk to the back 40 here. We're gonna get a closer shot at this beast. If it's a CSX, oh no, there it is. It is a Louisville train. There it is. Let's get down here though. Oh, it's definitely got more cars than before. Oh, nope, never mind. Maybe not. I don't know. Yes, it does, I think. I have no idea, guys. Oh, there it is. I think it's got the same amount. It's only a short train. So that's behind that. Got the tried to make him honk, but he wasn't looking at me. Oh, there it is. There he goes. Yeah, so hopefully, yeah, since it's a Louisville train, it might be another like 4 hours until the next train comes, maybe. It's a CSX. It's a honking. So hey guys, it's now officially out of sight. If I'm here at the time at my grandma's house, if a CSX train or something like that passes by, I will at least try to hurry up and run or get down here. It depends. He's possibly, if there's a CSX, he's gonna come that way. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to get down here. I'm possibly just gonna have to record down here by the barn. So yeah, if another train does pass by, I will record it. But yeah. Hey guys, I bid you all farewell, and if another train again passes by, and if it's a CSX, I won't even attempt to look at it. I'll just run down here and have my tablet out to record it. But yeah, if there's a train, next train, I will record it go by. So yeah, see y'all guys next time, and my name is Sammy101, and I bid you all farewell. Thanks so much for watching, guys.